Solution presents Spirit Seeking with Pratick.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratick. In the previous episode, we talked about why to meditate. And in this video, let's find out some of the ways in which we can meditate. Well, let me tell you of the ways in which I meditate, right? I have been fortunate enough to have many gurus in my life, many teachers, masters in my life, and I feel even more fortunate that I go to a mystery school for meditation. There, I've learned a lot about meditation. If it was not for that school, I would have probably not learned anything. But what did I learn there? That place is a research center and it is full of meditators who are exploring and doing their scientific research and practice meditation. Not only that, they research about the different realms of spirituality. One of the ways in which I learned meditation there is to work with my senses. For example, simply sitting down and focusing on your breath. In and out. In and out. In and out. And they always tell you to keep a subtle smile on your face, because meditation is not arduous work, it's playfulness. That's one of the ways in which we can meditate, just sitting and breathing. The other is through the senses of hearing. Just sit down and listen to the sounds around you. The sounds of the birds, the sounds of the vehicles. And if you can't hear anything, acknowledge the silence. That's another way. We have a third way, which is through the senses of seeing. Our sensory organ for seeing, this pair of eyes, is the most active sense organ. 80% of your energy is spent through your eyes in the outer world. So if we just close it and start seeing inside with a subtle smile on your face, of course, and just stay. Now you can do your breathing exercise at the same time, and you can also hear what's happening in your surrounding, and just relax. Don't forget your smile. Another way to meditate is to sit and feel the different parts of the body with your eyes closed. If you find that to be difficult, you can actually move your hand and your palms around the different parts of the body and try to feel the different organs and your skin and your feet and your chest. This keeps you grounded. This gives you a sense of your true reality at the moment. It keeps you in the present. All of these techniques and all of these meditation practices will be updated shortly on the Good Vibes app. So be sure to download that. And do tell us your ways to meditate. Let's build a community of aware meditators.